Hey guys, Pumpkin A here, back with another video. And did you know that my favorite kind of animal is a wolf? So today I'm going to be doing a slideshow of wolves. Here we go. It's going to be pretty boring, but it's cool, okay? I mean, I love wolves. I mean, you guys might also like wolves. I mean, I like dogs, okay? I have a dog. Some of them might be not real, but most of them are real. See, look, this one isn't real. It's just a painting. I think that one's real, though. That one has to be real. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, I can already tell that it's it from the slideshow, because, well, this is probably the shortest video I've ever made. Well, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be doing another slideshow. Wait. What the? Well, guys, here's all the rest of the photos. Even though they're not slideshow form. Well, anyway, let's see if Turbo Dismount will install, because that's what I want this video to be. And guys, I'll be back when it installs. Okay, I decided to unplay it here because it got to 100. Okay, my head. What the flip? Okay, guys, I'll be back when it's finally here. Okay, guys, I'm back. I deleted Roblox because I don't usually play it on my tablet. So let's see if it works. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it! Do it! Yes! Oh my gosh. Yes! Turbo dismount. Non-turbo. Verb dismount. What? Secret exit. The great escapism. Come on, can I just play my turbo dismount? That's what I've been wanting. Guys, I'll be back when it's loaded. Okay, guys, it's here. Finally. Customizations. Ooh, select face. From gallery. We should go something like, you know, personal. Like this. I made that awesome picture. And the thing, and that is gonna be 9 plugs. Great, now my game is frozen. Okay, now the game is frozen. Okay, for a second I thought my whole tablet was frozen. Let's get back on it, and I'll be back when it's done loading again. Okay, I'm back. For real this time. Grab your helmets, it's heavy season. Yeah. Oh, look, there it is! Let's play. On the map. On the map, the getaway, I guess. Let's go on the getaway. Yeah. Oh! We're getting away from the bank. Nyan Pug. My face is gone. This is the perfect getaway pose. Go! Oh gosh. Ow! Ouchie! I think I need to change up the vehicle. The vehicle is, kind of. The jugger. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh look, look how big. It's pumpkin. Great. Okay, let's reset. And then now. Whoa! This is a tank! It should be going like slow! Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This ain't gonna go well. This ain't gonna go well. I know it. That's it. That's it. That's really it. Vehicle sucks. Well, let's go at the pivot. Go. Go on our couch. You had to pull up in front of me. One thing you can do, pull up in front of me. You suck. Oh my gosh, there's police. There's gonna be police everywhere. Just driving in my couch on the highway. What the heck? I don't know why this vehicle. I don't know why these vehicles suck. Let's select a different level this time. What level? T-Junction. This is probably my favorite level. Okay, ready? I call it the testing grounds. Let's do this! It's my favorite level because there's tons of cars coming. And bam! Oh! And also because of that, he goes flying. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got ran over. Oh, gosh. This is amazing. But I don't think a couch would technically... No! Let's go something faster, like shuriken. Guys, tell me, is it called shuriken or shuriken? Go! Ooh! Whenever I die, I do the death sound from Roblox. Like whenever it starts to count down from 3, and when it goes to 1. Ooh! Well, that was nice. Let's go faster. Let's go a little faster. Oh, jeez. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Ooh. Ooh. I died probably a couple times. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go, my little pumpkin seeds. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh. Ooh. Well guys, it's time to end the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Bye. See you later, my little pumpkin seeds. Ooh.